in this company for credit repair. It's been a long process for me because it's been so many companies that I don't feel that they will do something for you. But since I started this program, and I believe in September, it has changed to the point now that I feel better in a way that, they respond quickly by email, by phone, and that's something that normally not other companies would probably do for you. But I'm so proud, that I came basically to this location, and I feel that they've done a phenomenal job, basically in following and doing what they have to do. Again, I highly recommend them to other, hopefully, customers that they walk in and make their pretty much life they could change. And again, thanks for helping me, and I feel much better every day that I come in across reaching out to them and they follow up with questions or concern. They refer me and I do exactly what they told me. That way I could basically be in a better shape. As of now, I'm very trustful that they are a seed company. They're not a scam company at all. At the beginning, you feel that's what you feel like every other company. They'll take your money and they'll just basically work with you. But truly them, I have never experienced such a great customer service that they have, and I would thank again every day of my life. I'll highly recommend other members who want to come in and join them. Thanks.